Hey gearheads, and welcome back to Car Trend. Today we're talking about a name that has always stood for luxury, prestige, and pure American excellence, the 2026 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham 60 Special. This isn't just another high-end car. This is Cadillac bringing back a legend with a perfect mix of old-school class and futuristic technology. The Fleetwood Brougham has been the symbol of sophistication for generations, and now it's been reborn for a new era, smarter, sleeker, and more powerful than ever before. The moment you see it, the 2026 Fleetwood Brougham makes a bold statement. It carries that signature Cadillac stance, long, confident, and graceful, but with modern lines that give it a futuristic presence. The massive vertical grille shines with active LED accents that move with the light pattern, while the sleek chrome trim pays homage to the timeless luxury that Cadillac is known for. The aerodynamic design isn't just for show either, it's been wind tunnel tested for efficiency, helping this big sedan glide through the air effortlessly. Under the hood, Cadillac has outdone itself. The 2026 Fleetwood Brougham 60 Special features a hybrid twin-turbo V8 powertrain that pushes out around 620 horsepower. It offers a perfect balance of brute power and refined smoothness. Whether you're driving in all-electric mode through the city or unleashing the full engine power on the highway, it delivers that unmistakable Cadillac experience, powerful, silent, and commanding. The magnetic ride control system paired with adaptive air suspension ensures an ultra-smooth ride, making even rough roads feel like silk. Step inside, and you're instantly wrapped in next-level luxury. The interior feels like a high-end private lounge, complete with handcrafted leather upholstery, real wood trim, and customizable ambient lighting. The panoramic OLED display stretches across the entire dashboard, giving you access to navigation, entertainment, and performance data. The AI-powered assistant remembers your seat position, preferred temperature, and even your favorite driving playlist. Rear passengers are treated like royalty with reclining seats, massage functions, and their own climate and entertainment controls. Every detail has been designed with precision and purpose, the kind of craftsmanship you only find in a Cadillac. On the tech side, Cadillac has equipped this masterpiece with Super Cruise 2.0, allowing true hands-free driving across mapped highways. The advanced driver assistance system uses sensors, cameras, and radar to monitor the road, providing a near-autonomous driving experience. It even has predictive navigation, adjusting routes based on traffic flow and weather in real time. Safety, comfort, and control, the Fleetwood Brougham offers it all. The 2026 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham 60 Special isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's about elegance meeting evolution, power meeting precision, and tradition meeting the future. Cadillac has once again proven that luxury can move forward without losing its soul. If you love cars that blend heritage with innovation, hit that like button, share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Trend for more automotive legends reborn with a modern twist. The king of luxury is back, and it's better than ever.